time has now come to drive the K20 swap boosted EK Civic build on this channel. Let's go. To be honest, I just can't believe it's physically running right now. The body's not looking the greatest, but it'll do for now. It's very shiny. I know I gotta clean the engine bay before I get roasted in the comments. Proper hot that is. Not a heat gonna go inside that. So we need to get like a pipe that goes out here, right there. That'd be a nice and cold air for the turbo. So there's only one thing to do, go for a drive. So that is what we're gonna be doing. Oh, it's got 6 gears, I totally forgot. I'm not gonna go crazy, just gonna do one more. Whoa! Wow! Right, so we're gonna go for a night PLV drive in the EK Civic. We fixed the fuel pump, we got a laptop to read the temperature. Now we're gonna go for a night PLV drive to see if that solves the issue. We've got 1 day left before we can take this car on the strip, so let's make sure it's working fine. Got the laptops out today with Mike, man. Do some late night shifting.
Accelerate a bit. Yeah. See it's going. See there?
Yeah.
That's why I was talking to you. The calibration red is protected, so I can't do nothing.
Ah,
so
it's locked. It's
protected
locked.
everything. So it's locked. That's why I was like, you know, I wasn't sure.
You were right. You were right. I don't want to give it too much. The clutch is still fresh. If I can do about another 200 miles by Saturday night, Sunday will be ready. But it pulls, man. It's actually a very aggressive Mac. Very scatchy inside though, isn't it? Like you can hear all the noise.
Yeah, but it's not like, you know, it's nothing in here.
yeah. Gears are quite smooth, the clutch is easy. Like it feels like a normal car. Power steering's rubbish, obviously.
That noise.
Huh?
That noise is just fucking
It's hilarious, isn't it?
Mine, you can hear more like whistling noise from turbo.
Yeah. You can hear the dumper. Watch.
Yeah. Here, at some points, like.
Yeah. I know. Take it to Redline, man. I'm not gonna lie, this car's temptation's mental, man. 5,000.
Yeah, it works.
You reckon it's boost by gear? That the tune?
Possibly, I don't know. It's just
Hard to tell, innit?
well, you have like that bus controller, so it might be bus by gear because it's like it's nothing. Suddenly it's going like more and more.
Yeah.
That, you know, more and more bus. You just freaking out.
She wants to go, you know. She wants to go, man. She's alive.
It's big turbo on it as well, so
Yeah.
it's nothing, and suddenly it's fucking everything.
Oh jeez. What the? That was stupid, man. Test drive was successful. We're gonna get inside and see if the fuel pump works or not. So we're inside the unit right now. I didn't want to turn it off, but apparently this is running quite lean at 17. Try that again.
Yeah, but that's banging on now. It's running fine.
This is the moment of truth now, so we turn it off. Let's see if it turns on again. This is the moment of truth. We'll watch the sound though, just in case. Oh, no, it sounds good. This should start. Watch. Nah.
Same stuff.
Same.
Try to when you're at throttle now.
Okay. What? As in now, like this?
Yeah. Start. So that's. And when you're cranking, just press more throttle.
Okay. Nah, he hasn't even fixed it.
It's not fuel pump then?
It's not fuel pump. Don't know, guys. Something's wrong with the fuel. Like, it just doesn't want to start now after like a long drive. What do you guys think?
Take the phone to the engine bay. Show me the throttle, buddy.
Oh, when the car's off, yeah, the car starts perfectly fine when the car's cold. But when you go for a drive for like 20 minutes and the car gets hot, same thing happens again.
Okay. You can't hear it. There is a little fuel relay underneath your dash. It's a little grey box. But it's almost like it's not sparking, like you got a bad signal or something. Take that line off, yeah. Get a bucket. Get the pump to prime. See if it primes like a handful of fuel. If it does, that's fine. If it doesn't, like it's cutting out, then that means that it's something to do with the fueling wise. Do you know what I'm trying to say?
Yeah.
Next thing is take your spark plugs out. Keep them spark plugs safe and put some anyone's just to see if you get spark.
Okay. All right.
Try them two things and make a video while you're doing it and send it to me, okay?
All right, let's do them two things. See if it works. Obviously, the next day is Jap show, and we have only done 50 miles on this car, and now for a brand new clutch to be bed in, we need to do minimum of 500 miles. Some say 300 miles. We're going to try and hit the sweet spot of 500 miles. So now today in this video, we're going to be driving the EK Civic, normal driving, shifting gears as much as possible, around 2 to 4k RPM, and get those miles up. So if you're interested in knowing how this car drives around the city, join along. Let's go. 10th of May, 4 o'clock. Jap show is 11th of May, well, 12 hours. Look at the miles, 58. So we've got to do another 300 miles. If we can do it today, bosh. Here we go again, come to a stop. First gear, move off. Second gear. Slow shift. That's it. Drop it back down to third gear. Boom. And it's really hot in here. On a day that's over 20 degrees. No air conditioning, plastic windows. We're basically surviving. So one thing we learned with the laptop and ChatGPT is basically the IGN is at -5. Yeah, so we're in idle right now. The IGN, which is the ignition, is at -5. It struggles to idle, as you can see right now. So if I stop now and idle right now, look at that, it struggles to idle. ChatGPT recommends when driving the clutch, you gotta drive it like high revs, and you gotta do the shift slow for that clutch paddle to like engage. I feel like I'm too low to the ground as well. Like the chair needs to be a bit higher, because I can just about see the steering wheel as I'm driving. And we just gotta hope. Oh wow, that hit the bump. Right, so we are in the middle of Bowsley Green. Miles are 180. You like it? Yeah? Right guys, just before we went back to the HQ, I thought we'd treat the car to a car wash. So we got the car washed and then the car just wouldn't start. And now I'm stuck. The guys here that washed the car are so helpful. They pushed the car here and they let me wait. It's been about 15 minutes and the car is still not starting. I don't know what the problem is. And now the starter motor doesn't want to work. I'm stranded in a car wash shop. Oh my god. And Jap show is in about 10 hours. Well, after tonight, but I'd say about 12 hours. I don't know how it's going to work itself out, but it's got to work. So it's been literally half an hour. Let the car cool down, and guess what? It started, and it's almost 9 PM. Thank you. Okay, thank you, man. We've got police behind me right now. Police. They're going, they're gone. Oh, I think this car can get away with being a sleeper. 187, let's go. For the best part of this car today, apart from the heat soak and starting issues, it's been driving good. The clutch, the transmission, the engine, the boost, all the lights, it's been working good. Oh wait, I can't off the car, so I gotta fill up petrol, ready for the car show tomorrow. So it's a bit of a mad one tonight, but it is what it is. V-Power it is. But we need to get this car ready for tomorrow. What do you guys think? We're gonna hit 10 seconds, 9 seconds. Decent amount of fuel in there, just in case. That should be enough, right? 50 quid. Not like the S4 that drank it straight away. Look at that. Yeah! Let's go! The Green Hornet is ready. 11:06. So basically I've done about 220 miles now. We've still got a remaining about, for tonight, 80 miles. So I want to make 300 miles. So then in the morning on the way to Jap show, we reach 400 miles. I think 400 miles is enough for the clutch to be bed in, ready for the drag strip. Right lads, it's about 1 AM right now. Let's go for a quick pull, make sure everything's running alright. I believe the Civic is ready for Jap show. Let's get that 13 seconds and a quarter mile. Let's go!